Alright guys, so people have been searching for a platform where they can actually repurpose their content. Maybe you make a YouTube video and you want to repurpose that particular video into multiple platforms, so you can actually use repurpose.io to repurpose your content into your different platform without any issue. So I'm bringing you a purpose.io discount code, which of course you can apply to get a discount on any particular package or feature you actually want to go for on the purpose.io. You can see post one reach everywhere, so you can start automating for free. So you have 10 videos for free with no credit card required, which of course you can try out and see if it's actually work for you. So I'm going to provide a link to this platform in the description of this video so you can try it out. So you can see right here, this is YouTube short, it is Instagram reels, TikTok and Facebook reels. So the same video you can see right there, so you don't have to do multiple record for different platforms. You can do that in just one click, right? So scrolling down, you can also see other business owners that are also using this platform, because it actually make your work much more easier instead of you uploading or posting on your different platforms. So once you connect or integrate all your social media platform to the purpose.io, so these are the platforms that it also support. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube short, Snapchat, Pinterest, X, LinkedIn, I guess, then Dropbox, and then Google Drive as well. So once you post your video on Facebook, or maybe your video is on Instagram, then you want to repost from Instagram to all the other platforms, so that's actually easy. And if you want me to do a full video tutorial on how to connect your social media platform to on the purpose.io and also automate everything inside the purpose.io, let me know in the description of this video, and I'll try as much as possible to make a full video tutorial on how you can actually integrate everything in just one simple steps. So they also provide a simple automation on how it also works. You can see connect your social media platform, you can see all the platforms that are supported. You can also see create automated workflow, so it's very simple to go about it. You can see right there, so under the workflow you'll be able to see almost everything right there. So you can see manual or automatic. So once you select the auto, then the post will be done automatically, and if you select manual, then that means you'll be the one to actually publish the video maybe on your other social media after the first one, which of course you actually want it to automate from, right? So there are some other features which of course you can also look into. You can see the resize features right there to fit in for every social media platform you connect to. Then you can also see the remove watermark as well, so you can see right there how it works. There's a backup as well to Google Drive and Dropbox as well. So scrolling down, you also see reschedule or schedule or publish automatically to your social media platforms. You can see right there LinkedIn, YouTube short, Instagram, Pinterest, X, Facebook. So you can schedule all your posts for free, right? So you can also see top creators that are also using repurpose to repurpose their content, right? That's funny. So this is the price to use repurpose.io, but then if you use the link in the description, you're gonna get up to 10% off your purchase on repurpose.io. So this is for content marketer and this is for agency owner. So you can jump on the link and let me know what you think about it, and how you are actually the kind of experience you are actually having with repurpose.io. So, and like I said, if you want me to make a full video tutorial on how to use this platform, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to make a full video tutorial on how to automate your social media on repurpose.io. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.